Hey again, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Richard, and I'm going to talk about my hackathon project, mapping and SignalR. So as you can see here, we have a map of the US. In our Oberon product, it would be kind of cool if we could show activity in real time. For instance, if someone logs in and creates a contact, it'll be cool to see the contact appear over the address that they belong to. For instance, a contact was created in North Carolina, or another contact created in Kansas City, or another contact created in Seattle. For instance, we can also show where contributions came from in real time, so as they happen. You can see a contribution occurred in Washington, in Pennsylvania. Okay, over here, you can see it all through the map. And finally, we've also got events. They're associated to an address, so why not show them in an interactive map as they get created? So you can see one in New Mexico will pop up, one in Colorado will pop up, Montana. So you can see essentially all the activity happening in Oberon across all tenants on a US map. Okay, so moving on. Benefits of having a map in Oberon like this is you can do a search for contacts of everyone who made more than $100. And if you contributed more than $100, you'll pop up on the map in the search results. So let's put our criteria here, 100. We'll click search, go next. You can see a US map with everybody who contributed over $100. You can see a few people contributed in Miami, but a lot of contributions occurred in Denver, and some more in Kansas and Pennsylvania. Those were the big number of contributions. Another benefit of having a map in Oberon is being able to use the map to actually create the search. For instance, if you want to look at all the contributions within a certain radius or a certain area of the United States, you can draw or drag a radius around, say, the DMV area, and then get results of all contributions in that area. The second part of this project is we've got maps going now. Like I said at the start, we want to be able to show activity in real time. So how do we do this? We can't keep going, are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? No. Do we have anything to show? No. Do we have anything to show? No. Because after a while, it kind of gets irritating. And it's also the same concept for the server. You can't keep asking the server the same thing every 10, 20 seconds. Wouldn't it be great if we could just say we're going somewhere and not say anything until we get there, and then say, okay, we're here. So we're getting rid of all that constant asking, and we're just going to tell you as soon as it happens. Okay, so to give you an example, when we do an import process, every 10 seconds we're asking, hey, is the import complete? No. Import complete? No. Import complete? No. After 20 minutes of asking, the import finally completes, and then the server will say, okay, the import's finished, this is the results. So you will see when you create an import, you can see this consistently just keeps going around and round and round, and keeps going to the server. Are we done? No. Are we done? No. And then eventually in 20 minutes when it is done, you'll eventually get to the import page. So you can kind of see this isn't very efficient. We keep continuously hitting the server for no reason at all, really. The second example is even worse example with the notification bar. Again, we're asking, do we have any notifications? Every 10 seconds. No. 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 Maybe after an hour of asking, eventually we get one notification. So you see how this can be very inefficient, constantly asking and getting nothing. Wouldn't it be great if this notification bar just sat here and did nothing, and then when a notification does come in, the server tells the client, hey, we have a notification, show it. And that gets rid of the constant polling. And eventually the server will come back and say, yep, I've got one notification, show it. And that just saves the client from continuously asking and asking and asking. So to do this, we use SignalR. Okay, so the conclusion of this hackathon project is I wanted to eliminate this constant polling, constant asking the server for information. I also wanted to use Google Maps to show search results in a map, as well as even using a map to show and run a search. The benefit of this project would be, for instance, we could put this giant map on a TV and show real-time activity as it happens on a live map. We can also show, in more of a results in like a row format to say, yeah, contact was created, contribution was created, contribution was created. So I guess that's kind of like the background of my project. We have maps, and now we have real-time communication between the client and server. So now I'm going to stop the demo, and I'm going to go and actually give you a live demonstration of the map prototype I developed. So stand by. Okay, so to get an example of this real-time mapping, we're logged into Oberon. We're going to go to here, the Dashboard tab. This is going to show all the activity that happens in Oberon. Okay, so for instance, I'm going to go and open up another window and log in as another tenant. And I'm currently, you won't be able to see this, but I'm on another computer, and I'm going to create a new contact, and you're going to see exactly where this contact was created. There you go, a new contact created in Los Angeles. Okay, someone else might come in, decide they want to add another contact. Okay, oh, we got another contact coming in over Washington, D.C. Okay, we also can do the same process for contributions. Oh wow, contribution just popped up over Washington. Okay, let's create another contribution. Oh, another contribution just popped up over LA. Okay, again, final demonstration will be an event. Oh wow, an event just popped up over Indiana. So this is kind of what my hackathon project is trying to display. We can give like a real-time display of activity going on in Oberon, and basically any product that uses addresses. We can show this in the lobby, we can show a map view, we can show just a record row by row display, we can use the map for searching, we can use the map to show, you know, parts of America where the search results have been collected. Having this in Oberon will be a great modification. I hope you enjoy my hackathon project. It's been great doing it. See you later.